Hey guys, hey everybody. I just want to share the very interesting experiment with you. I will show you live, almost live, how these guys perform. Let me remind you, top right, it's the FT-1000 48-volt one sitting on LHCM boost controller, and on behind him, on the same height, 10 meters height, sits the FT-1500 96 volts wind turbine. Down at the bottom, there are a bunch of smaller guys, and I won't be showing what do. They sit very lower on 5 and 6 meters, and they produce as much as they can. I've shown you that a lot, but here I will actually do this in kind of live mode. I will show you with some kind of delay the stats, the video shooting from the controller of FT-1000 and of FT-1500. So you will see several minutes straight how do they go. As you may see, both of them have got their furling tail being engaged at some certain moments, because, well, what we have really gusty wind today, so it will fluctuate a lot. It will go from very smaller one to bigger one, and it will swish and swoosh. The camera will not show you clearly the details. So anyways, I will further on put on some music, and you just enjoy and watch how they go. Because, well, what else do you want from a wind turbine? You want to watch and see how they perform live for a long time, prolonged period.